What is light reaction? In the year 1882, T.W. Engelmann plotted the first action spectrum of photosynthesis using green algae Cladospora. The maximum rate of photosynthesis occurs with red light of the visible spectrum. Most of the photosynthesis takes place in blue and red regions of the visible spectrum. Photosynthesis does not take place at the same rate at the other wavelength of the spectrum. This happens because the accessory pigments have only the capacity to absorb light energy and transfer it to chlorophyll A. The light reaction takes place only in the chlorophyll A, so we are calling as reaction center. Mechanism of photosynthesis. Let's see that what is the mechanism of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is an oxidation reduction reaction in which water is oxidized and carbon dioxide is reduced. The general equation that represents photosynthesis may be written as 6CO2 plus 12H2O. It is gives rise to C6H12O6 plus 6H2O plus 6O2. It means what are the raw materials here? Here we are taking 6 molecules of carbon dioxide plus we are adding 12 molecules of water. It is gives rise to C6H12O6. This is the chemical formula of glucose. So other byproducts here 6H2O plus 6O2. Okay, so the end products of photosynthesis are carbohydrates. So here carbohydrates in the form of glucose and starch, and other byproducts are water and oxygen. Here carbon dioxide and water are the raw materials for the photosynthesis. Oxygen is liberated into the atmosphere as a byproduct during this process. This evolved oxygen comes from water and not from the carbon dioxide. In photosynthetic plants, the hydrogen donor is water and the source of oxygen released is also water. In the year of 1932, the scientists Robert Emerson and Arnold proposed that the whole process of photosynthesis involves two distinct phases. So they are photochemical phase and biosynthetic phase. So we will discuss one by one, photochemical phase and biosynthetic phase. Photochemical phase, it is also called as light reaction. It is the light dependent phase of photosynthesis in which ATP and NADPH are formed in the presence of light. Here, in the process of photosynthesis, the energy is released in the form of ATP and NADPH. So here ATP is nothing but adenosine triphosphate. Okay, so NADPH means dinicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate. These are formed in the presence of light. This process takes place in the grana of the chloroplast. So, photochemical phase takes place in the presence of sunlight. It is consisting of the following steps. So, light absorption, water splitting, oxygen release, formation of high energy chemical intermediates, that is nothing but ATP and NADPH. In the year of 1935, the scientist Robert Emerson proved that two pigment systems are involved in the light reaction. They are pigment system 1 and pigment system 2. That is nothing but photosystem 1 and photosystem 2. The reaction center and light harvesting system, that is nothing but accessory pigments, together forms the photosystem or pigment system. Each pigment system about 250 to 450 pigment molecules constitute a single photosystem. So I am ending the class now. I hope that you all are understand as well, students. So if you have any doubts, please ask me and make it clear. Next class we will continue the class photosynthesis in higher plants. Thank you.